in the accountancy, that is dual effects of transactions and types of accounts. Now from this chapter, now our real accounts that is starts, because from this chapter now you are going to learn basics of accountancy, and also sums are also going to start. Now meaning of business transaction. Now what is business transaction, right? So business transaction means the exchange of product or services of business for cash or on credit between two or more than two persons. Business transaction means len-den, simple. But exchange of products or services for business only or of business only for cash or credit इन बिटवीन टू और मोर पर्सनस, मतलब कि एक्सचेंज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज फॉर बिजनेस, राइट, एंड फॉर कैश और क्रेडिट. बिजनेस का हम कोई भी ट्रांजेक्शन करें या ले, जिसको हम बोलेंगे मीन्स लेवट देवट, जिसको हम बोलेंगे कि आप ले, वो कैश में करे या क्रेडिट में करे. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज बिजनेस ट्रांजेक्शन्स. Now classifications of business transaction, that is clearly given in this chart. What is the classification of business transaction? Now business transaction has two types of transactions: economic transactions and non-economic transaction. This you must have learned in your OCM's first chapter, that what is economic transaction and what is non-economic transaction, right? Economic transaction means the transaction which can be measured in terms of money, that is called as economic transaction. And non-economic transaction means the transaction which cannot be measured in terms of money, that is non-economic transaction. For example, teacher serving for the school, right? So that is economic transaction. Why? Because in return a teacher gets a salary, but a teacher teaches his own son, so that is non-economic activity, right? Why? Because in return to teach our own son, teacher does not get any kind of salary, so that is non-economic transaction. Now business transaction में economic transaction again has three types: cash transaction, credit transaction and other transaction. Now what is cash transaction? Cash transaction means simple cash transaction कि जो हम purchasing and selling cash में करें, so that is cash transaction. The transaction in which cash involves, so that is cash transaction. Credit transaction means the transaction in which cash does not involve, so that is credit transaction. अगर हम हमारी लैंग्वेज में देखें तो इसको उधार ट्रांजेक्शन भी बोलेंगे. Then other transaction. Now what is the other transaction? The transaction which is not included in cash or credit transaction, they are called as other transaction. For example, loss by theft, loss by rain, loss by fire, all these are other transactions, right? Now non-economic transaction has two types of transaction: internal transaction and external transaction. Internal transaction means within the business, and external transaction means the non-economic transaction occurs with the third party outside the business, so that is called as external transaction. So this is the chart of business transaction, that how many types of transactions are there, that is given in this chart, right? Okay, now the cash and credit transaction takes place in three forms. Cash transaction also has three types of transaction: that cash transaction for asset, cash transaction for goods and cash transaction for asset. Cash transaction for asset means अगर हमने कोई asset purchase किया है तो, for example, see, for furniture worth rupees 10,000 is purchased for business, so this is cash transaction for asset. Cash transaction for goods means what? Goods means production किया हुआ stock which is other than the asset, they are called as goods. Goods means चीज़ें, items, so they, right? The goods is purchased in exchange of money, or money is realized from sale of goods. For example, goods worth rupees 15,000 is purchased in cash, so this is related to goods. Then cash transaction for services. सर्विसेज, राइट, कि प्रोडक्ट कोई अगर फॉर एग्जांपल हम डॉक्टर के पास गए, डॉक्टर ने हमें हमारा इलाज किया, इन रिटर्न वी पे फीस, सो मीन्स डॉक्टर इज प्रोवाइडिंग हिज सर्विसेज टू अस and in return we are paying fees, so that is called as cash transaction for the services, right? Then cash transaction for receivables or payables. ये receivables and payables means कि सी सीधा इलस्ट्रेशन ले ले, द आउटस्टैंडिंग पेमेंट ऑफ 3000 फॉर गुड्स परचेज्ड from Ramila is made. The goods worth rupees 4000 were sold to Rashmi. The outstanding amount is received in cash. Means receivables and payables means what? Ki in future also whatever we receive from the debtors and whatever we have to pay to the creditors, so that is also cash transaction, and it becomes cash transaction at that time. So another fourth type for cash transaction, that is a transaction for receivables and payables. So any amount which is outstanding to pay for the goods or services acquired in the past is known as payable. They are paid in present. पास्ट में वो भले ही पेएबल था पर अभी तो हम कैश दे रहे हैं, तो अभी के लिए कैश ट्रांजेक्शन फॉर रिसीवेबल्स एंड पेएबल्स. नाउ द नेक्स्ट दैट इज क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन. In this type of transaction, money is not paid immediately for the purchase sale transaction of asset, goods and services. Money for those purchase sale is to be made in future. Credit transaction means जो पैसे हमें बाद में देगा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल उधार ले जाता है, हमारी लैंग्वेज में अगर हम समझे तो उधारी, राइट. अगर उधार ट्रांजेक्शन हम करते हैं तो वो पैसे बाद में दे जाएगा. फ्रॉम दिस क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन डेटर एंड क्रेडिटर रिलेशंस कम्स इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस, राइट. डेटर एंड क्रेडिटर ये रिलेशन क्रिएट होता है बाय द क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन. एंड अदर ट्रांजेक्शन मीन्स द जो कैश भी नहीं है, क्रेडिट भी नहीं है, तो वो देखो, गुड्स डिस्ट्रॉयड बाय एक्सीडेंट, theft of goods, then goods given for donation, goods given for advertisement, asset and defective or useless asset, right. So this is called as other transaction, right. So your today's homework is draw this chart in your notebook, chart of this business transaction, and write down cash and credit transaction from viewpoint. So this is your homework for today, right? Okay, bye, see you tomorrow.